Today I want to show you transforms in Metabase 59. So here's the thing. Your raw data is never quite ready to use as is. Stuff is scattered across 50 different tables, there are missing values, inconsistencies, you name it. To handle this, usually you build a data pipeline to progressively clean and shape your data, and then just point Metabase at the final results. But now you can do all that shaping in Metabase as well. Here's how this works. I make a new transform with some SQL or Python code. Then when I run it in Metabase, it executes the query and writes the results to my database as a new table. And I can even choose to do this incrementally. The table will show up in Metabase just like any other table. Now I can have other transforms built on top of this table, so I can build out a whole data transformation pipeline and even see the pipeline's DAG directly in Metabase. Of course, for this to be a real pipeline, I need to run it on a schedule, and for that I can tag a transform with a built-in tag like daily, or I can assign a custom tag, then create a job with a custom schedule, and tell it to run all the transforms tagged with my custom tag. Metabase knows when transforms depend on each other, and it will schedule all the dependencies to run in order intelligently. Now, for many things, SQL will do the job, but if you're doing something more complex, you can also use Python in Metabase now. Just write a script that returns a pandas data frame, and Metabase will write it to your database as a table. And of course, you don't need to do all that coding by hand. Our Metabot AI will help you write transforms, either SQL or Python. You can just describe what you want, and Metabot will generate the code. You can keep refining it conversationally until you get what you need. Transforms are part of Data Studio, our new data management suite that we released in Metabase 59. There is a ton more functionality there, so check out the docs and let us know what you think.